Hey guys, just gonna do a quick unpackaging of this window exhaust vent kit here. So I got this thing because I have those portable window ACs that you can move around. So I have one of those, but I actually broke my duct exhaust kit. And it's, as you know, if you're looking for something like this, a pain a lot of times to have to try to like kind of make something to fit or whatever. So I got this as a replacement. So just want to show you what it comes with. So of course, this is the actual, um, I guess, kind of telescoping part of the units that will sit in your window. I like that it's vertical because it makes it so these plastic units here, they're a lot more lean and kind of slim, so you don't have to have the window as wide open. So, as opposed to the other ones, the horizontal, they're a lot wider. The plastic on these, it does feel really strong. It feels better than the ones that I had originally. And then we'll pull the duct out of here. Okay, so here's your actual duct part. So this is what's going to connect to my AC unit. It looks like I'll probably need like a hose clamp, a big hose clamp for it to tie onto there, I believe. And then just quickly check the fit in here. So you see, very simply slide in, locks it. Then I think what I set aside here, it also has a little hardware kit. So you can, looks like this has screw holes and stuff in it. So you can screw and lock these things all in place. The other ones I had, it was really hard to hold them in place. They would slide and fall down. I ended up having to tape them and screw them anyway. So looks like this has everything that we're going to need to get my AC set up. So um, I'll show another video after I actually get everything done so you can see it in action and how it actually works.